Separation of substances refers to the process of separating different components or substances from a mixture. There are various methods of separation that are used depending on the nature of the mixture and the substances involved. Let's explore some examples. The first method of separation is handpicking. Handpicking is a simple method of separation where substances are separated by hand. For example, when harvesting grains, the grain is separated from the stalks by picking them out manually. Similarly, when eating food like daliya or poha, if there are unwanted ingredients like chillies, we can carefully remove them before eating. The second method of separation is threshing. Threshing is a method used to separate grain seeds from stalks. It is commonly used in agriculture. After harvesting crops like wheat or paddy, the stalks are beaten or threshed to free the grain seeds from them. The third method of separation is winnowing. Winnowing is a process of separating lighter and heavier components of a mixture using the wind or blowing air. For example, when separating husk particles from grain seeds, farmers use the method of winnowing. They toss the mixture in the air, and the wind blows away the lighter husk particles while the heavier seeds fall back to the ground. The fourth method of separation is sieving. Sieving is a method used to separate components of a mixture based on their sizes. It involves passing the mixture through a sieve or a mesh with specific sized holes. For example, when preparing flour, a sieve is used to remove impurities and bran. Similarly, sieves are used at construction sites to separate pebbles and stones from sand. The fifth method of separation is sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. Sedimentation, decantation, and filtration are methods used to separate solid particles from liquids. When a mixture settles and the heavier component sinks to the bottom, it is called sedimentation. Decantation involves pouring out the clear liquid while leaving the settled particles behind. Filtration is the process of passing the mixture through a filter to separate solid particles from the liquid. And the last method of separation is evaporation. Evaporation is the process of converting a liquid into vapor by heating. It is used to separate a solid dissolved in a liquid. For example, if we have a mixture of salt and water, we can heat the mixture to evaporate the water, leaving the salt behind. These are some examples of methods used to separate substances from mixtures. It is important to choose the appropriate method based on the nature of the mixture and the substances involved in order to achieve effective separation.